how to summarize large text with keyboard writing assist on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then tap on Writing Assist. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on so we can switch on Writing Assist. Now open up your keyboard, so I will bring it up by going into Notes. And from here, tap on this AI icon on the far left. Then make sure you have your text at the top and then tap on Summarize. This will allow the app to select the text on your phone, and then it will give you a summary down here. From the summary, you can choose copy or you can replace the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.